Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe in these hard days. Today's lesson is about Snowflakes with Anna and Elsa. You can find all the puzzles in the link below. In this lesson, you will be able to break apart code into a largest repeatable sequences using both loops and nested loops. Also, you will recognize the difference between using a loop and a nested loop. At the end, describe when a loop, nested loop, or no loop is needed. Vocabulary. These are very important, so please memorize them. What is a comment? Comment is an instruction for the computer. Many comments put together make up algorithms and computer programs. What is a loop? Loop is the action of doing something over and over again. What is a repeat? Repeat is to do something again. Here we have two codes, the loop and the nested loops. Today we will be using nested loops to make some fantastic drawings with Anna and Elsa ice skates. I believe all of you know who is Elsa and who is Anna. If not, I'm gonna tell you. Anna, sister of the Queen Elsa, sets off a dangerous, mysterious journey to bring back Elsa, who has run after imposing an endless winter upon her hometown. Anna must overcome challenges and meet new friends, such as Olaf, the snowman, an adorable talking snowman, and face her charming boyfriend to save the kingdom from not only Hans, but from eternal winter. Lesson 9: Snowflakes with Anna and Elsa. This lesson will take you through a series of exercises to help you create your own portfolio. Ready images using Anna and Elsa's excellent ice skating skills. Also, you will get practice nesting loops while creating images that they will be excited to share. Beginning with a handful of instructions, you will make your own decisions when it comes to creating designs for repetition. Let's start.
Hi, I'm Elsa of Arendelle. Help me draw a shape. Draw a hexagon with 50 pixel long sides. To draw a hexagon, you will need to move forward by 50 pixels, turn right by 60 degrees, repeat a total of 6 times.
So we need to draw a hexagon using Elsa, but before doing this, I'm gonna just tell you the names of the blocks and what they do. If you don't know what the block do, just move the cursor over it and it will tell you. For example, the first block moves the artist forward. Second one moves the artist without leaving any mark. The third one turns the artist left or right by the specified number of degrees. This one moves the artist without leaving any mark. This one moves the artist without leaving any marks. It's jump to the middle center position. That means it will move Elsa to the middle of the center. This leaves a message for yourself or anyone else reading your code. This one to set the color, change the color of pencil. Change the color to random. And this one, as all of you know, do some statements several times or repeat the thing over and over again. Let's start doing this. So as it tells us, we have to move forward by 50 pixel. Then we have to turn right by 60 degrees, and we should put all this code in a repeat block. It should be repeated 6 times. Let's try it. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 1. It's so easy. Practice number 2.
Good job. After your hexagon, turn right by 60 degrees, then draw a line that is 150 pixels long. Finish by putting Elsa back to the center of the play area, using the block.
If you notice, we have the same hexagon from the first or previous exercise. Repeat 6 times, move forward by 50 pixels, turn right by 60 degrees. In this exercise, they're asking us to turn right by 60 degrees. After this code, we have to put that block. So this is the turn right by 60 degrees. Then we have to use draw line that is 150 pixel long. So we need to move forward by 150 pixels. Then we have to use jump to the middle center position. So we need to use this block to make Elsa goes back to the middle of the screen. Let's try it out. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 2. It's so easy. Exercise number 3.
Let's make a snowflake. To turn this code into a snowflake, nest all of the code inside of another repeat loop and run it a total of 6 times. You should only need to add 1 block.
So in this one, we need to add 1 block, which is a repeat loop. And we have to make it a total of 6 times. That means that we are start using nested loop, a loop inside a loop, and we should make it 6 times. Let's try it out and see how Elsa will draw this amazing shape. You notice after each one, she goes back to the middle. Going for the last one. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 3. Exercise number 4.
Let's make our snowflakes special. Inspiration. Where do you need to add code if you want to draw a tiny square at the tip of each long line? You can try whatever you want in this puzzle, but here is an idea. Try making a tiny square at the end of each line, Each side should be 15 pixels long. You should turn by 90 degrees. Repeat those actions a total of 4 times.
First step, I will drag down this bar so we can see the instruction. From the previous activity, you will notice that we have the same code inside the nested loop to draw one of these shapes. But what do we need to do in this one? We need to add a square at the tip or the end of the line. To do this, I'm going to break down the nested loop and do it step by step so you can understand it. I will remove the nested loop, put it aside, and I will run this. Okay, so before jumping to the middle, we need to add our square. To do the square, we need to use a repeat block, remove the jump. Square has how many sides? 4. We need to use move forward to draw the side of the square. They asked us to put 15 pixels long, so we need to change 100 to 15. And you should turn by 90 degree, of course. So we are going to use this one. Turn left, 90. Then jump to the center, reset, and let's try it. Okay, good. I will add the big one now, the big nested loop, and let's see our work. Done. We did it. Let's move to the next one. Number 5.
Be creative. Draw whatever you like.
This is a free play activity, which means you can do whatever you want with the code. It's up to you, totally up to you. But if you look closely to this code, this comes from the previous activity, which draws hexagons in the middle and squares at the end of the line. But in this activity, you can tell we have squares in the middle and hexagons at the end of the line. How many sides the hexagon have? 6. How many sides the square has? 4. So the first thing that we need to look into to change the hexagon size from the previous activity here, which is 6, to 4, because we are talking about square which has 4 sides. The angle of the square is not 60, it's 90. So also we need to change this one from 60 to 90. Let's come to this part, which is here. From the previous exercise, there was a square over here, but now we have hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. The first thing that we need to do is changing 4 to 6. Do hexagon has angle 90 or 60? It's 60. So also we need to change this one. Let's try to run the code and see what will happen. Okay, she draws the first part. She jumped to the middle and start drawing the second part. So far so good. Start drawing the third one. Great, she did it. Moving to the fourth one. Good. Now the fifth one. Amazing. The last one. Perfection. She did it. Let's finish this one and move to the next level. Okay, what about this one? Let's hear the instruction.
Let's try something new. This time, skate in a zigzag. Inspiration. Try changing your long 150 pixel line into 6 short lines of 25 pixels turned by 45 degrees in alternate directions after each short line to get a zigzag look. Where do you need to put a new repeat block to make this happen? How many times do you have to repeat your pattern of 2 short lines to get 6 total?
Okay, this seems very easy. Because of this, I'm gonna keep it as a challenge for you to do it at home. And I'm gonna check the code.org and see who did it and give him or give her a bonus mark. This will end our lesson today. I hope to see you all on my next live Zoom meeting at the following link, or you can see it on the agenda. Meeting ID 729-458-9735. Always remember to use the password 12345. Please stay safe all. God bless you.